Finally, I'll put my plan to use. If it does not work, I'll lose it. Literally. Hey, mortal! Next time, out of my way. Wait, we are in space.
Ow, what? Why did you do that?
Maybe because you were in the way.
Stop.
Oh, stop. Your life from continuing. Wait, what?
So what now? Are you my enemy? What the hell's wrong with you?
Who the hell are you anyway? What's your name?
I'm Seagull. I have a father.
You have a father? I bet he doesn't even care about you. Wait, this is where my plan can begin.